relay switches, and they're quite easy to test. You just put reverse voltage to these diodes. You can see the flywheel diodes are right here, and they're always reverse. Okay. Now, yes, there is some problems with this board already, and you can see that it has like some blown circuit board parts right here, like this leg of this guy. It's not connected. So, other than that, yeah, you want to check these. I've had the pumps for like hot tubs, and it has the same issues. Usually, it's a bad solder joint. Relays don't look too bad. I do see some burnt on this flywheel diode right down in here. There's could be some problems. So, what is this? 25 amp, 1 amp. Looks like a 15 volts. Relay switches. Oh, 30 volts. So you could probably activate it with like 12 volt. Just using a power supply. And then if you hear the click, probably means that it's okay. So let's try that out. We'll just get my power supply. You just put reverse polarity. So usually you would put negative on the white band of the flywheel diode. You can see the little white color, so that would be negative and positive, but you want to do reverse, so that would be positive, negative. Alright, because this is for reverse polarity protection, so you want to, and you should hear a click. Yeah, you hear that, right? Nice and solid. That means that one's good. Most definitely. Let's try this one. Yeah. Good. And we'll just keep on going down the entire row. The good thing about this is you can swap components, because this has lots of blowers. Oh, huh. This is a hot tub board. This is a spa board. Here I think it was circulation, but yeah, this is pump 1. So if pump 1 is working, pump 2 is not, or whatever, you can always swap. And it's looking like you have a high and low side, so you have 2 for 1. That's maybe not. Yeah, no, just 1 for 1. It has an optocoupler in there. Yeah, but I've had a hot tub pump, and I was able to. You can interchange these and swap them if one's not working. But no, they're all okay. So the only problem is a bad solder right here. This bad solder joint. 99% of the time it is because of a bad connection. So I do see a metal connector in there. So, okay, I'm just gonna check this out here. So this would be positive. Positive. I'm gonna apply some voltage here. This will be positive and negative, and see if I can get some continuity between these 2 points. Okay. So. This whole rail is positive that goes down the middle. So okay. Let's see here. And it's not beeping. Oh, it is. So that means that it's okay. Relay just needs to be soldered. That is typical. Very typical. Okay, let's try this one here. Got this one here. That's working. Okay. Just requires a solder job in there to get that up. Okay, let's test it out here. Okay. So this is the positive rail, and we're going to be seeing if it connects these two. Yeah. So it's working. So that's a good connection there. Should be good to go.
Thanks for watching this video. Hope it helped out. If you enjoy electronics or want to learn about how to fix electronics, consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.